Let's look at Adrian Tang. Oh, okay. To find angle. These kind of angle questions are very famous in SPM. And yes, we should always make sure that we know how to find the angles. Okay, especially this type. So they are looking for the internal angle, external angle. Sometimes they look for external angle. It depends on the situation. But I see there's a hexagon on the left and then an irregular polygon attached to it. Okay, so if you see these two structures together, okay, to find x, okay, let me just click into the question first. It's easier. Okay, but is this the question? Oh, okay, the image is cut. I see. SPM math. Okay, this is math. Okay, polygon. Let's just say we have polygon. We have this, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, roughly. Okay, let's just say roughly happens here. So this is angle, let's just say this is angle X given in the question. What else is given? Y 90 degree 230310. Okay, 90 degree. Y 230 on the outside 310. Okay, so this is given. This is given, in a question. So how do we actually solve this? Simple. If you have a regular hexagon, the way to do it is to find the angle, internal angle. The way to do it is to use the formula. The angle formula is basically n minus 2 times 180, because this one you are looking for only an angle, so you have to divide it by n. So how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges. So 6 minus 2 times 180 over 6. So what do you get here? You get 4 times 180. 4. By the way, for those of you who are doing this, yes, you can help me solve as well. No problem. Yeah, we should solve all these together. So it's a good way to revise and to practice. So 120 degree. 120 degree. And yes, we got x already. So x equals to 120 degree. So with that, we can easily find these two. Okay, you can easily find these two. Is my diagram okay? My diagram looks like, oh, it's a straight line, TSL. I was wondering like how could we actually, yeah. Okay, let me adjust a little bit. Yeah, it looks a little different because I sketch it on the spot. So it's not supposed to look very nice, but yeah, it's a straight line, so it's very easy to tell. Okay, here we go. Over here we have, okay, now all the angles are 120 everywhere. Okay, everywhere in the hexagon, everywhere is 120. So how do we find this angle? Because we need it. So it's going to be 180 minus 120. It's going to give you 60 degree. Yes or no? It's going to give you 60 degree. And the other one? This is also 120. This is 90 degrees. So the entire thing is a circle, 360. 360 minus 90 minus 120. So we get 150 degree over here. So in this case, so how do we actually solve it? Okay, this one, we also need to find this. This is 50. So to find y is very simple. You just have to minus off all the found angles from the total angles that is supposed to be within the polygon. So how do we find the total angle again? Total internal angle. Total internal angle will be this. It will be n minus 2 times 180, yeah, which is what we know. So n minus 2 times 180. There is one angle, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5. So 5 minus 2 times 180. So you have 3 times 180. That is the total angle. 3 times 180. 540. So with 540, to find y equals to 540 minus minus 50, minus 230, minus 150, minus 60. So what do we get? So use calculator. Just want to make sure, please make sure that you do not type the wrong figures in. That's very important. So a lot of people type the wrong figures. They got too excited, and that's how they make mistakes, right? So don't do that. So you get 50. So this angle 50. That's the answer.